Keeping your ears clean at home is important, but it's also one of the most misunderstood parts of ear care. At Hearing First Ashford, we regularly see patients who unknowingly cause earwax problems while trying to clean their ears. The first thing to understand is this: ears are self-cleaning. Earwax naturally moves outward, carrying dust and debris with it. Most of the time, the ear doesn't need interference. So what should you do at home? The safest approach is gentle, external cleaning only. Washing the outer ear with a damp cloth during your normal hygiene routine is usually enough. Anything deeper than the entrance of the ear canal should be left alone. What should you avoid? Cotton buds, hairpins, and other tools can push wax deeper into the ear, leading to blockages, discomfort, and even infection. Traditional syringing at home can also be risky if done incorrectly or without assessment. If your ears feel blocked, itchy, or your hearing seems muffled, that's a sign to stop home remedies and seek professional advice. At Hearing First Ashford, our audiologists assess whether earwax needs removing and use safe microsuction when required. Knowing when not to act is just as important as knowing when to book an appointment. Healthy ears start with gentle habits and professional support when needed.